Here it is, you guys. Haven't done a video on that. It's my new truck, Mitsubishi Mighty Max. Super stoked to make some videos on that. All right, you guys, finally back in the garage working on the Integra. I've already started it the other night. I've removed the front bumper, the radiator, the AC condenser. Lots of stuff going on here. I'm still having overheating issues. I think I've said in previous videos. I've tried several different things. Man, I think all my videos cover it. If you guys have questions, let me know, but I think I finally narrowed it down to a sucky Spal fan. After contacting, it was Spal or CSF, maybe it was Spal. This is the weakest Spal fan that they have at this size right here. So when you order the CSF radiator, I advise you to ask for the better fan, get the fan relay. Unless you live somewhere where it never gets above 60 degrees or something crazy, I highly recommend a new fan. So I have a new Spal fan there, new AC compressor, the fan relay, and a new AC condenser. So on the AC part of things, I am having AC issues. I swapped out for another used AC compressor, and come to find out this one seized on me within, I don't know, 50 miles. It seized on me. So I said, the hell with getting a used one. Let's go ahead and get a new one. So I ordered one from Rock Auto. But yeah, also, if you guys remember, I had a heck of a time trying to figure out how I can do this, get away with this. I finally can get away with it. I moved the dash temp sensor right here. Again, it's been a while since I've uploaded any videos on the Integra. I don't know if I've mentioned this already before, but I had a friend do this for me, and I thought I stripped this out. This is where the fan switch is supposed to go. I thought I stripped it out. I had a friend fix it the other day. I figured, why not just see if it's the same thread pitch, and it is. So this is the fan relay that's hooked up to, it doesn't run off the ECU, it runs off, I don't know. We can't get the ECU to connect to the fan relay switch. My friend tried, and this just goes off at whatever temperature it's supposed to be, 180 or 200, I can't remember. It was a headache. Huge thanks to my friend Michael G at Unrivaled Performance. He fixed a bunch of the wiring issues I had with the fans. He ran through it, like this harness. I don't know how I've had this car for, I don't know, maybe 2-3 years now, and I've never had an issue with the wiring. The wiring was absolutely horrendous. It was terrible. It was all twisted together with no heat shrink, just sleeves over it. I don't know how I've never caught this car on fire with how terrible the original owner was. Not the person that I bought the car from, but the person he bought it from that did the swap. So yeah, huge thanks to my buddy Michael. He changed the water pump for me. He was trying to run through whatever issues it was, got the fans working correctly. Because remember, I added the second fan, which I may remove. So this, just so you guys know, the way it's set up right now, and if I remember correctly, because it's been a while since I've done a video on this guy, the fans sit like this. This one runs off of the fan switch, and this one runs off the AC. When I turn on the AC, this one turns on. I think I'm going to wire it differently to where this one goes off the fan switch, so I'll have to run where that plug is over here. Oh, I don't know where it's at. Right here, I think it is. I think that one's it. I'm gonna have to probably extend that connector to go to that plug, and I think I can get away with this fan. I think I could lose that fan. But I want to connect that one to the AC, which is this one here. So I got a bit of stuff to do. I gotta remove the AC compressor. I gotta find my thermostat housing. I know it's somewhere in this garage. I have one that's pretty new. So yeah, I gotta find that, or just go buy another one. They're like 20 bucks. But yeah, that's a quick update. You guys see the truck. I still haven't made a video on the truck, but if you've been listening to me this far, little sneak peek. Finally got a boost controller on it, tuned it, blew off the the blow off valve. I had to order a new C-clip for that and washer. Or no, O-ring. New clip and O-ring. And the transmission seal is leaking pretty badly. But anyways, let's go to the Integra. Alright, let's go ahead and start this. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the AC compressor, put on the new one, find my thermostat and AC O-rings. Hopefully, I haven't really been able to sort out the garage too much. I still need some shelves and some cabinets probably. But let's go ahead and get this started, guys. The good old Integra. Gotta get this beast back on the road. Alright guys, so I ordered the wrong AC compressor. This is, I just double checked it, seems to be like an RSX Type S AC compressor. What I ordered was, I believe, an Acura TSX, and it's completely different. 3 wires here versus 1 here. So I'm outside my 30 days to return this sucker, so that kind of sucks, but I just ordered the correct one. So yeah, now I'm kind of stumped on being stuck, so maybe I'll have to call it a day. Let me see what else I can do. Oh, went ahead and double checked the AC condenser, and thank goodness that is correct. And yeah, guess I'll just remove this thermostat housing. Actually, maybe I'll spend some time trying to find the old one. The one that I need to replace that. No more Sentra. She gone.